Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. So you guys were wondering, I was seeing some people, they were asking me about how in Super Mario Galaxy 2, the Let's Play I did, Google translated Super Galactic Mario 2 formally, and Paper Mario Thousand Year Door. I remember some people were asking me over Instagram, Discord, and a bunch of other stuff. Um, how I got the HD texture packs on there, and they were all, "That's so cool. How do I get it like that on my copy of the game?" And I had said, I'll make a video about it. So there's gonna be a few things you're gonna need. You're gonna need to get Dolphin emulator, the latest build, which at the moment is 5.0 something or other. I'll put a link to that in the description. You're gonna need a game. I can't put that in the description because it's illegal to distribute ROMs, but there are many ISO sites or whatever to download your own little thing. And then some little packages, they come in 7-zip formats, so you're going to need 7-zip. So in case your thing comes in 7-zip format, then I'll put the download link to get 7-zip. And then that is all you need at the moment. So what you're going to want to do is go to this link in the description and find whichever game you want. So we're gonna do Luigi's Mansion. I already actually downloaded it in this tab, so what you do is you just click on this and then go to download and everything, and there's all these people talking about how grand it is or whatever, and you just go Google Drive and they have some screenshots and everything. You just go to this link, which I already did. I already downloaded it. So yep, this one comes in 7-zip format. So you just download and it would say, "Oh, this file is too big to scan for viruses," but don't worry, there's no virus, there's no .exe shady link or whatever or anything like that. But it would just go here, and then yeah, I already have it downloaded, so there we go. So it only takes a few minutes to do it. So then after you get it downloaded, you're gonna want to go to your folders, and then you will go to downloads, and then you'll do 7-zip open archive, and then it'll open up for you. And these people were nice enough to include the game ID, but sometimes they don't include the game ID. So what you're going to want to do is go to properties in your game, go over to info, and then right here it'll tell you the game ID. So you just copy it, do Control C, Control V. You can also just type it out if you really want to. If that helps you sleep better at night, you can do that. Sorry if you can hear that. My brother and family and everybody are playing a board game. So you would open it, everything, and then you would go over to documents on your thing, and then you would go to Dolphin emulator and double click that, and then you go to load and double click that, and then you would go to textures, and then you would basically just either do new folder and then call it the game ID and then put the stuff inside, or if they're nice enough to just make a folder with the game ID title, then all you have to do is just drag and drop, and then it will just take about 30 seconds or so to do it, just a few seconds. And then after it finishes, then you can, there it is. So then you can exit out of this, and you can delete the file if you want to, the 7-zip archive, but I would recommend not doing it until you've tested it and made sure everything looks all good. So we'll open this up. See how good the game looks. So yeah, you can see the title screen is HD more looking. This looks better. And everything. There's new looking logos and stuff. So we got the mansion. So yeah, this looks better and everything, and they even have a new picture of a boo. So that's cool.
Mario?
Okay, yeah, the text looks different. Okay, we're not gonna save, it doesn't matter. So yes, this looks better and everything, and I think the game was slightly being stupid for a second because I had another tab open, so we'll close out of that. And then, yeah, the wallpaper, you can tell it looks better. The map looks better. Just about everything looks better. So if I knew about these HD texture pack thingies back when I was doing my Luigi's Mansion Let's Play, I would have showed them to you guys. So, okay, we'll just catch this boo, I guess. That's in here. And then I'll end up ending it. Okay, it's a blue ball, never mind. Alright, so, okay, there he is. So everything looks better in the game. So there we go. So all the textures look a lot better. Some of them are even completely new, such as the boo one. So alright, that is pretty much the end of the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. So this also works on Wii games too, just a little thing I'll say. You can do it with the GameCube and Wii. So it's just not exclusive to GameCube. I just chose a GameCube game because I felt like it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a good one.